It was a full day of cross-examination for the seventh and final complainant in the sexual assault trial of businessman Frank Stronach. There were some heated exchanges in court as Stronach's defense challenged her version of events, arguing that her encounter with the auto parts billionaire more than 4 decades ago was consensual. A warning, some viewers may find the following details disturbing. On Monday, the complainant, a 69-year-old businesswoman, testified that in the early 80s, Frank Stronach took her out on a date to a restaurant. She said he then invited her back to his waterfront apartment, which was connected to the hotel. It was there where she said he eventually pinned her down on a cot, tore her pantyhose, and raped her. In cross-examination, Stronach's defense attorney, Leora Shemesh, pressing the woman on her characterization of the night. The complainant described the evening as a, quote, social dinner date. She said they had been sitting side by side in a banquette at the restaurant, but that it wasn't romantic. She said when he invited her back to his apartment for a nightcap, she expected to talk business and finance, since she was an administrative assistant for JP Morgan at the time, and that was the only, quote, common ground that they had. Or the other common ground is that you're a 24-year-old who's really excited about a wealthy man taking you home, right? Shemesh argued. The complainant responding, I don't understand what you're getting at. And later adding, it doesn't matter if I was a secretary, and it doesn't matter if I talked to him about Genghis Khan or finance or business or anything. What matters is that he raped me. The woman reiterated earlier testimony that at the apartment, Stronach had attempted to get more physical, though she told him at least twice, quote, no, I'm not here for that. She said she reluctantly went into the area where the cot was and told herself in her head that she could control the situation by giving him, quote, a few smooches and then leaving. But that didn't happen. Stronach's lawyer pointing out to her that she stayed despite her verbal rebukes. In a heated exchange, Shemesh telling the witness, my position is that all of this was consensual. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, the complainant replied. You weren't there. If you think that was a consensual act, to have your pantyhose ripped, being held down and penetrated, if you think that's consensual, it's shocking. Stronach has pleaded not guilty to all charges. Court resumes on Thursday at the University Avenue Courthouse. Erica Natividad, City News.